This is the Phoenix Police Department! Who's ever inside apartment 146? Come out with your hands up! Give commands. I can't see him from here. Hands up! Hands up! Alright, hey, you guys take the female, we'll take the male. This is the Phoenix Police Department! Who's ever inside apartment 146? Come on with your hands up!
While one team was in front of the apartment, another to the rear broke a window to get a better view inside, but did not see anyone. About an hour after first arriving on scene, the officers made the decision to enter the apartment, led by Police K-9 Dennis.
If you guys want, I'll push up past you. Just let him work this for me, see if we do anything, and then we'll just take it slow. You guys got that? Let's cross you guys.
Phoenix Police, anybody inside, come out now, you're gonna get bit by a police dog.
Good work.
So let's push, we'll push up to there. That way I can give him two positions.
Jackson was struck by gunfire and fell to the ground. Here's a slowed down version of the shooting from another officer's body-worn camera.
Pull up. Come on, you. All the way out. Yeah, we're good. Hey, rifle. Hey, back to the corner. Back. See, John? Need fire here. Yeah, fire. How are you? Hey, get him out. Are you good? I'm good. Yeah. Possibly. That might be a tear. It's not a tear. Yeah, just a tear. I'm good, boss. It's just a tear. It's just a tear. Tear on the door. It's fine. Hold. It's just a tear. Okay. Hold.
He's down.
Shots fired.
He's down.